Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I will make a organizing all of my handheld consoles and also the accessories. So kaya po pala ay ito po pala yung bago kong vlog po ngayon. So I think skip po muna tayo sa gameplay sa ngayon. So ito po pala yung bago kong vlog. So just for the meantime, okay? Kasi matagal na akong hindi nakagawa po. Matagal na po akong hindi nakagawa ng mga original vlogs dito po sa akin channel. Since nagtatagalog po ako para since maintindihan din ng iba, diba? Kasi minsan nahihirapan din ako mag-English dito eh. So meron akong problem talaga ako sa pre-English. So ngayon po ay gagawa po ako ng vlog para sa how I keep organize all of my handheld consoles and also my gaming accessories and also for the mobile gaming, also mobile gamepad. So here it goes and it's gonna start it up. Okay, so let's all start up with this one first. So this is my big pouch case for my mobile gaming accessories. So this is a big one also, and also ay nakapagkasya talaga yung tatlo kong gamepad, mobile gamepad controller dito. So ito pa pala yung mga gamepad controller ko. So as you can see, ito pala yung gamepad controller, which is good hand grip also, and it also can be stretchable. So and ito yung I think ito yung kauna-unahan kong gamepad. So mobile gamepad, stretchable pa rin siya at saka nag-adjust pa rin siya. So okay pa rin naman siya hanggang ngayon. And also ito pa isa na meron po pala siyang Joy-Con dito, Joy-Con. So okay pa naman siya, so hindi pa siya nababalik. So maganda pa rin siya at okay pa rin, hindi pa siya na so all goods pa naman siya. So ito pala yung inilagay ko dito, yung aking lahat. Ito po lahat dito, inilagay ko po dito lahat yung aking mga gamepad controller po. So mobile gamepad controller dito at nakakasya po talaga yung tatlo dito. So okay, and on to the next one na po tayo. So okay, ito po pala yung malaking big pouch na ito. So on to the next one is I have my retro handheld gaming console. So in foreign gaming vloggers, they also use this as a bootleg emulator. So this is too many games in here, and also the removable battery, and also the charger in here. The charging port is a micro USB supported, and which is also I have this also the X6 Retro 100 emulator, retro hand gaming emulator also, which is also just like a PlayStation portable over here. So but you can see there is also a camera that you can put, okay, that you can put also a memory card, since it has already a memory card on it. So there it goes, and there is some of the accessories over here, and this earphone is for this one. So this is the earphone for this one, and also another earphone for this one also, and got some charging cable. Okay, charging cable for the X6 retro emulator, and then the 2.5. okay, this is the 2.5 this for this one 2.5. okay, I still need to find a 3.5 for this one, 3.5, so that I can connect it into the TV. So that was my that was my my retro emulator consoles. These are my emulators. So I have this two controller over here. So I have this wireless gaming controller. I have this wireless gaming controller for my mobile gaming also, but I don't know how to map it. I don't know how to use it. And there is also a clip for this one, so in which you have to clip this on. Okay, put your mobile in here. This one have to put your mobile. So, and also I've got a wired controller for PC, so universal controller. So I already tried it into my PS2, but it is not working. Okay, so and got some USB controller, USB this cable for this one. Okay, so this is the pouch of this. This is the pouch of this controller, and this is where I put this is where I put my controller over here. So, and on to the next one is I have my Nintendo 3DS. So here it goes. This is the Nintendo 3DS. So I have my Nintendo 3DS over here, and yes, it's still good, still working. I don't have a new case for this one. I still have to buy a new case for this. Okay, so that I can put this in one in here. So the next is also this one is a coin pouch. This is a coin pouch, but inside it's my advanced SP. So there it goes. This is my advanced SP over here, in which I put it in. Still good, still working. Okay, and this is my for the meantime this is my pouch for my Game Boy. This is my pouch for my advanced SP over here. So I still have to buy a hard case for this one. And also the next is also my PSP. So I have to put my PSP in here. I still have to put my PSP, and also got some extra memory stick for the game. Okay, over here. So I have this 2 gigabyte, and also has a 4.0 gigabyte over here, memory stick Pro Duo. And then also I have this one over here, so that I can put an SD card. I can put an SD card. Okay, and this is my PSP. Okay, so on to the next. Okay, here is this is a coin pouch money holder, but I put in here is all the DS game card. So here's where I put all of my DS game card over here, and also into the next compartment is my cartridge for the advanced SP. So I have to divide it. So I still don't have a case for this one. So I think this is just a good idea also, how to keep it organized, all of your things. Okay, so on to the next is also I have my I have my DS Lite, which is a Super Mario. So you can, as you can see the video for this one into my previous video. So this is my DS Lite over here, which is in a transparent case. So I already have this. Okay, this is a good one. Okay, so this is where I put my DS Lite over here, and then you're just gonna have to put it right over here, there, right? So, and also right here is also my Nintendo Switch. This is my pouch for my Nintendo Switch, the original, the V2, and then here it goes. This is the V2. Okay, this is my V2, and it's still in a good condition. So nice and so perfect. This is the Cellphone. Okay, this is the Cellphone. Okay, perfect. And this one is, I bought this for my Nintendo Switch Lite, but it's too big. But the Switch Lite is still is still fit for this one. But my Nintendo Switch Lite is always put in my dock, in the stand. So I wish I put it in my stand. So have to put this on, and then you gotta have to do it like that. So, and onto the last one in here. Onto the last one is, I have my mobile gamepad with a controller. So this is the iPega mobile gamepad. So look at that, still working, and it's still working and still good, and also the triggers are still good. So I always use this for fighting games. Guys, and it's also a USB charger in it. Since this is a Bluetooth, okay, so it goes. I almost forgot that there is also a functionality for this one. Look at that. So Android, Joy-Con, and I don't know what this is. Is this an app? Is this an Apple? Is this an Apple for iOS? I don't know. So that thing, that's why. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to use the controller. So I'm gonna have to use the controller to use this one, so not for the Android. So I think that's the main problem, that I didn't notice that. Okay, so okay. So guys, so that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy watching. So yun po lahat yung aking mga gaming console and accessories po, the way I keep it organized. So actually I really did an organization of all of my gaming stuff. So since I don't have a good organizing bags or cases. So I did find some, I did just some find. So naghahanap ako ng compatible na pagkakasyahan yung aking mga gaming accessories, para ma-organize ko po siya na mabuti. So I think that's just the way I keep all of my gaming accessories, and also handheld gaming consoles, para may ano ko talaga siya sa ng mga how to keep it organized, and how to keep it clean also. So to keep it clean also sa mga how to keep it fit in the same way, na para mas maalagaan pa natin yung ating mga gaming console, para naman mas safe po sa lalagyan. Okay, so yun lang po yung vlog ko ngayon. Sana po nagustuhan ko. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please help me to get to reach the 100, the first the first milestone, the 100 subscribers ito ma-share para naman ma-monetize ko kaagad as soon as earlier bago po magtapos ang taon na ito. So thank you so much for watching and I hope you please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay, and please click my video if you like it, okay.